Hello from Chicago. Alan Knuckman, high above the trading floor here at the CME Group, talking energy with the focus on crude. Quiet day in crude. Today, the last trade day rolls on. Today's the last day of trading for the September contract. That's over, comes to an end now. We're shifting out to the October. Most people had done so last week. But what was interesting in today's action was a very muted range for the first day of this contract being front month. October had a high of 65.62 and a low of 64.85. So that's only 75 cents from the high to low. Ended up closing up 25 cents. So it was positive on the day at 65.40. But that's half the range of a typical daily action where you typically see the true trade, the average trading range of about $1.50. So a quiet, muted a session here in the summer when we have these summer slow days. So let's talk about what happened last week. Last week we saw the October contract, and we're going to shift back, dip down below 64 two times last week. It turns out to be both Wednesday and Thursday. So on Thursday, we hit the lowest level that we've seen in a couple of months down there, like I said, below the $64 level. But it did go lower on that day and have a higher close. So that is a key reversal. So that could sometimes be a positive. Had a little bit of a bounce here on Monday. So let's see if it can continue to move higher. Also last week, with those new relative lows, somewhat begrudgingly, obviously, we saw the data come out with the rig count on Friday with no increase in rigs for the week. So in net, down about $1.50 for the week, but a lot of that can be attributed to the strong dollar. Looking at the macro market, I think that should be a focus as well, because stocks are solid once again, and that's important after the test last Thursday, where they slammed down to key support levels. They tested and rejected those swing lows in stocks. If you look at the broad market S&P 500, it went down to that 2802 level. 2800 is at a very, very significant level. So still very positive tone. The S&P right now is less than 15 points from its all-time forever January highs. That could be supportive of the markets in general. It could be sort of supportive of crude. So net, look at the technicals here. 68 on the upside is a resistance level to break through, and 63 on the downside is a support to lean on. So to totalize today, October crude up a quarter, 65.40 on a somewhat subdued session.